What's up, everybody? It's Shane with Moretti Outdoors, and we got a great gear review coming up right now. What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me on another gear review. Now, I'm really astonished that I even found this, but I had no idea that Zippo had their own line of fire steels and emergency fire kits and stuff. So I actually picked up their full line, and this is everything that they have available. And here's their ferro rod, their emergency fire kit, and then this is just a fuel canister to put your fluid in, and that's just for putting your Roncinol lighter fluid, or you can get Zippo lighter fluid. I mean, I can't ever find the Zippo lighter fluid where I live, so, but yeah, that's what that's for. Well, let's start cracking these things open and see what we got. I was going to do individual reviews. I said, no, this is their full line. Let's do it all together as a set. So let's do their emergency fire kit first. And now I bought all three of these off of Amazon, and I paid $25 for everything. So, and I think that's a fair price for all this stuff that you get. So let's start cracking some of this stuff open. Let's check it out. Let's just look at the back. So the Zippo Flint spark wheel, it has water resistant storage container, floats in water, reusable ABS plastic construction, ergonomic design with textured grip, molded lanyard attachment. It's built to last, easy ignition, emergency ready, pocket size, reliable spark, reusable, wind resistant, water resistant. And there's their whole kit, and these little pads you stick on a little stick and light them up. And I don't know if they really have, I'm not sure if they have some kind of a fuel in them or if they're just like a compressed cotton type ball. But let's find out. Let's crack this sucker open. Boom. It's actually got a little bit of weight to it. I'm really surprised. EFK Emergency Fire Kit by Zippo. I like the little lanyard. Put it on my neck, put it on my backpack. Yeah, I mean, this thing's pretty cool. So let's check it out. This comes off. There's your spark. Now, I'm sorry, guys. I mean, unless you have petroleum jelly fire cubes or some kind of a petroleum jelly based cotton ball or something with some serious fluid on it, this ain't could just start a fire. This isn't like using a fire steel. All you're doing is igniting a flint. You know, I'm not really seeing it. I'm just not. I would have to actually try it to actually see if it would work. If there's fuel on those little cubes in here, these little cylinders, yeah, I can definitely see it happening. But nice little container. If you don't want to use it for that, you can stick cotton balls in there. I can probably get some cotton balls of light with this flint. Probably not something like that. They're really hard. Another thing I like about this too, it's got the flint. Don't want to spend too much time on one product, but I want to get in depth with this pretty good. So get my little mini screwdriver, pop this open, and see if they gave us any extra flints, guys. So this is where you put your flint. I think I have some spare flints laying around, but this is where you put your flint. And they didn't. They just got the one flint. So those are good for, you know, a good fair amount of lights, which is good. Now, some of the tinder I have, this would probably work. But I just don't know if that little bit of a strike that they have would work on, you know, fat wood. Just doesn't have that oomph. But you never know. You never know without trying. They got an arrow here showing you where you're supposed to light. See that arrow? Yeah, right there. See that? You can see where it's already been lit up. I suppose, I mean, it's possible. So there's that, the EFK by Zippo. Not a bad little tool. I actually like it. I think it's pretty cool. Now let's crack open that Fire Steel by Zippo. That I'm excited to check out. So here is the Zippo version Fire Steel. Boom, there it is. Zippo Mag Strike, the Zippo MS they're calling it. Double lanyard holes for top or bottom. Got a cool little fire symbol just like this one. Fire and fire. Pretty cool. Let's try to crack this thing open. Ooh, man, is that tough. Alright, so this is the striker, obviously right here on the tip. They should have made it for the side. I'd probably use it on the side. Let's get a little strike for it and see. See, now that works pretty good. It's real sharp on the side there. But I'd probably prefer to use that side. Not bad. It works. Definitely works. Nice. Very nice. I like that little striker. Nice little ferro rod. Got a little bit of weight to it. So there's piece number 2. The MS and the EFK are reviewed. Now, this is another. Love it. So, I do use Zippo. Now this is the Zippo fuel canister, and right off the bat I'm seeing a couple things here that I like. Keychain, hang it from your pack, and then it's got this little rubber piece that you can actually put some flints in, and that's pretty cool. Carry your spare flints right in there. So let's crack this open and see what we got. Okay, so there's where you put your fuel. Tighten it down. It's got a rubber gasket in there, guys. A pretty big size rubber gasket. And that's almost like a hose style rubber gasket right there. Damn, this camera just will not zoom in there too close. See that? Alright, so close this up, fill it up with fuel, get a nice seal, open up the top. Boom, now it's got that visine bottle type tip. So obviously you're going to unscrew that now. So they're really taking precautions. And there you go. There's your little nipple. And you put that right inside your Zippo, right underneath the cloth. Pretty cool. I like that. And if you get yourself in a pinch, you can use this fuel to start a fire too as well. And that's pretty cool. I like that. The full line of Zippo survival and Fire Steel and Emergency Fire Kit. Pretty impressive, guys. I like Zippo stuff, man. 25 bucks for all 3 of these items. Not bad at all. A good haul, I believe. I can use all 3 of these things out in the field while I'm backpacking, camping, hiking, doing bushcraft. Anything I want, guys. So hopefully someday in the future you'll see me using these tools out in the field, you know, maybe on a backpacking trip or bushcrafting or something. So, but that's all I got. That is all I got for the Zippo line of survival and Fire Steel and emergency fire kits, guys. So thanks a lot for sticking around. God bless. Go wild. See you on the next one.